Hey everyone and welcome. So today I will teach you how to change store currency on Shopify. Super easy. So follow these steps. First, from your admin dashboard, you need to head over to settings, and once you're onto the settings section, you need to search in here for currency. So basically currency works a bit differently on Shopify. That's why sometimes it's a bit confusing, but nothing to worry about. Head over to store defaults. So you are going to be finding store defaults once you search currency. Yeah, I know that sounds a bit off, but this is how it works. So the store defaults have this option of markets, right? So currencies, of course, different markets and different regions have different currencies. So currently it is set to my native market, and I need to change that by heading over to markets and add in here another market. So you need to simply create a market. Let's just say you are searching in here for the US. You can search in here for US, and you can add a condition, like for example we have different regions. So let's just search in here for, you can see multiple regions are showing up in here. Let's just search US, or maybe if we want to do it for Australia, you can easily do that, Australia. So let's just select that and click on done. You can see now it is added, and the currency we can add that as well and set in here for Shopify payments. Once you add your Shopify payments and everything, your currency is automatically going to be reflected in that particular currency. So this is how it works on Shopify, and I hope this was helpful. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Make sure to subscribe and see you in the next video.